Confidence hack number 11. You look good, you feel good, you play good. This is confidence through channeling self-care. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players, CEOs, and high performers how to hack their confidence. If you want daily confidence boosts directly to your inbox, go to my website, davidnurse.com. Sign up for free to get these boosts every morning to start your day off on the right foot and much, much more. I think the real question is, have you ever not felt more confident when you had a self-care day? Why is self-care a staple for confidence boosting? Well, I'll tell you. Physical self-care releases natural feel-good chemicals, dopamine, serotonin, and adrenaline into your body, which counteracts the ill side effects of feeling down. Now, I'm not saying that it will cure depression, but it will boost your mood. In turn, feeling good about how your physical body looks or how you feel on the inside goes hand in hand with increased confidence. In the same endorphin activating way, self-care affects the mind. Simply the action of taking the time to make yourself look your best, just taking the time to do it, or near your best, positively boosts confidence. And as primetime Deion Sanders famously quoted, "When you look good, feel good, you play good." Powerful quote. Same confidence concept. When you actively put effort into doing your hair, wearing nice clothes, applying makeup, you will instantly feel more confident in yourself. Not due to the physical outward appearance itself, but due to the inward action of self-care. Healing Hand School of Holistic Health, I say that 5 times fast, in Laguna Hills studied the effects of a massage on self-esteem and self-confidence. As you would imagine, unless the masseuse is digging their elbow into your clavicle, the massage dramatically increased confidence of the clients. So take 5 to 10 minutes today for self-care, or every day. The options, they're really limitless. Put your best suit on or your favorite dress. Apply your best looking makeup that makes your eyes pop. Style your hair. Get a massage, a facial, or even just go to bed earlier than normal. Trust me, your confidence level will increase. The great thing about this confidence boost is you can do it every day. It doesn't only have to be today. Gain confidence today in knowing that a little self-care goes a long ways.